Humanity needs to stand together through the good times and the bad. Throughout the pandemic, Heartfulness volunteers have worked tirelessly to help those in need, providing free food, oxygen, hospital services, and of course, meditation sessions. Now, with the help of expert doctors in the global Heartfulness community, another important free initiative is being launched by Heartfulness. Appropriately, joining us as guest of honor for the launch event is Mrs. Suchitra Ella, Joint Managing Director of Bharat Biotech. With the guidance and leadership of Mrs. Ella and her husband, Dr. Krishna Ella, Bharat Biotech developed India's indigenous coronavirus vaccine, Covaxin, which has saved millions of lives and is crucial in the nation's recovery from the coronavirus pandemic. Please join Heartfulness Guide Daaji in welcoming Mrs. Suchitra Ella to this special launch event of Healthcare by Heartfulness.
Namaskar ji. Namaskar. Well, Madam, I'm very happy to have you with us. To us, India has been at the forefront of this fight against pandemic by being able to provide preventive measures such as yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, Unani stuff, and also proudly helping the world with its own indigenously made vaccines. Western world has always been used to vaccination for various diseases, but these things have been rather new for us in India. Typically, it takes decades to come up with a vaccine, effective vaccine for any disease, and several decades to perfect it. The speed at which scientists came up with effective vaccine for COVID in many countries, it's certainly commendable, and especially we at India, it's a miracle. We are all grateful to them for carrying out the stupendous, humongous task of developing, testing, and then manufacturing this vaccine during lockdown, come up with the safe vaccines. I am told that Dr. Suchitra is like a heart of the Bharat Biotech, while Dr. Krishna Ella is the brain behind their innovation. My hearty congratulations to them. The marriage of these capabilities, combined with compassion from the heart, which is at the core of our heartfulness meditation, has put us all in a position where soon we shall overcome this pandemic, not only in India, but all over the world. As we fight together to put an end to this pandemic, the launch of this Healthcare by Heartfulness Institute is a reminder of one of our core human traditions, which is about sharing and caring. And it's a proud moment for all of us to have doctors Suchitra Ella at the launch of the Healthcare by Heartfulness. Similar to our Hearts app, which is for meditation, where anyone can request a session on meditation from a trainer anytime, anywhere. This Healthcare by Heartfulness will be able to provide free medical consultation to everyone 24/7. We have a team of thousands of expert doctors who have come forward as volunteers to assist, call back, or provide consultation within the app. Local language support will also be added. We have prepared this app in a record time in less than a month. My congratulations to this tech company. You can download the app from any Android phone, and soon it will be there in Apple app as well. You can see it here on my phone. It is looking like this.
I'm extremely honored and humbled at the same time to participate in this wonderful event along with Shri Daaji in inaugurating this app that has been launched by the Heartfulness Institute. I thank the institution and all the people who have made this possible and have also reached out to us at this time to participate in this event today. I hope and I wish that this entire launch program of the app itself to enable support and services to all of those who are around the world in order to decode and understand some of the medical challenges or information or the right information. I think that is very important. I think this will go a long way in helping and supporting every family that is out there that will use this app that is being launched today. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I respectfully invite you to join me in launching this app along with Dr. Ella, watching this promo video of the app. Lovely, thank you. I hope many will be able to use this. And a lot of doctors from India, as well as especially from US, they have come forward with their volunteer work. You know, how this will work is very simple. It's like, you know, this app that we use for ordering taxis, you know, that Uber taxi. And wherever you are, you know, the taxi fellow will say, oh, I'm near you, and to pick you up.
Yeah.
Like that, you know, so one doctor who is watching at his phone and say, oh, so and so is calling me from Karimnagar. So he would log in and they'll have a video chat and they'll discuss among themselves and give a proper advice verbally. And if it's needed to escalate it for medical help or go to a hospital,
Yes.
then they'll guide accordingly. You see. So guidance, initial guidance is very crucial.
Very important.
Yeah, and most people get scared and they develop anxiety. Whether they have COVID or not, they start worrying. So I think this is a great step. And beautiful thing is, you know, all these doctors, they have come forward as volunteers. And so there are no charges to common folks. You know, yeah.
I seek your blessings to all my colleagues in our organization who have been relentlessly working through the pandemic since April 2020 and have really given their heart and soul and the mind, of course, but I think the heart and soul comes first in our efforts when we have to face challenges of this magnitude. Throughout the year that has gone by since last April, and also all it's 24/7 operations because of the pandemic and the lockdowns. We have also not been able to have all of the employees at the same time, close to 2,000 of them on campus. So we had to spread them apart into 3 shifts or 4 shifts if required. And people have been really working and coming to our campus, which is, I said, quite far outside the city limits. More than 40, 50 kilometers people travel in our buses, of course. But they have been supportive, extremely supportive. And without their efforts and endeavors and support, I don't think Covaxin would have been able to be where it is today. I seek your blessings and I seek all your positive wishes to all of us, even going forward. We have just started a small clinical trial for children. As per the Government of India regulations, the Ministry of Health regulates us, and Covaxin has been given permission to have a trial conducted in children under the age of 18. So from 2 to 18 will be the age groups of the children, and 500 children across India will be participating in about, I think, 5-6 medical institutions, including the All India Institute of Medical Sciences and other hospitals in the country, to ensure that Covaxin will demonstrate its safety and immunogenicity in the children in that age group. So we seek your blessings and all your support to be with us at all times.
My prayers are there. When this pandemic is over, I would be happy to come to your premises and address the employees, or we can even do online whenever they have some free time. And as you say, they are in batches.
Yeah.
So we can always, I can also have batches one by one. See, we can have 4 or 5 batches as they find it convenient.
Certainly.
And if I'm not able to deliver speech or any meditation session, there will always be someone to guide them. What we actually need is a guidance how to meditate.
Yes.
And that will be done.
Thank you. I think that will be a great benefit for all of them also, yes, because of their the work-life balance at the current situation. I think for many of them is really a tough one. Yes, maybe sometimes the demands at work, the long hours, and also the family scenarios, some of them having to face the infection in their near dear ones. So there's a lot of emotional and psychologically, many of them, I talk to them every now and then. I keep encouraging them and talk to them like a family member in groups to keep them motivated and to continue to encourage them to keep doing what they're doing. Almost including the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, have visited us and have also have shared great words of encouragement to all our employees, not just in Hyderabad, Daaji. We also hope to start our production very soon in campuses in Bangalore.
Nice.
And also we have a plant in Ankleshwar in Gujarat, which was another plant which was producing anti-rabies vaccine. So that is also with us, and we hope that all these additional capacities will enhance the requirement of Covaxin and make it available to the population of the country and to the world at large
Yeah,
at this time. Thank
yeah,
you.
wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you once again for this opportunity, and I look forward to talking to you and seeking your blessings again very soon.
Pranams. Thank you. Thank you.